need to make a little bit of adjustment to our wrapper, the wrapper for this food tile. Okay. So the first thing that we need to do, we need to add the left property. We need to give it a 5. The background color, we have to change it to light white because we need to put the shadow. Okay. So for our shadow, we're going to use a spread operator, and then we access our shadows. We already have our shadows in our constants, so make sure that they're imported right here. Okay. After importing, you need to choose the kind of shadow that you want to use, whether you are going to use small or medium. But for this tile, I'm going to use small. Okay. So this will be our final look. So let's go ahead and work on our profile, and then take a look at our login page and our sign-in page. Login page and our registration page,